I'm doing my best here to rev match this Genesis SD70ACE. So far, it's going pretty good. I'll test the braking here in a minute. I only got it on 10%. Oh, it's not so bad. Acceleration. And brake. That was out of the view of the camera, so let's do it in reverse. Oh, big piece of dirt on the track there. And stop. It's not too bad. The problem is if I set the braking too high, it's gonna take like forever to stop, right? But I just like to have the acceleration just right and the braking just right. Let's try accelerating again, 10%. I'm happy with the acceleration. I'm gonna hit the brake. I feel like the braking's just a little off with the sound, but close enough. Punch it in reverse. And then I'll put them around the corner there, and then we'll bring them forward, and I'll stop them right at the train station. He's almost out of view. Going around the bend. Oh, he just he hit something he didn't like there on the layout. That's okay. All right, let's go forward from a fresh start. Oh, well. Well, shit. Something going on with the track there he doesn't like. And being a picky bugger. Move forward just a little bit. Probably a piece of dirt there. He doesn't got keep alives, but most of my Genesis locomotives aren't too picky. All right, let's go. All right, 10%. Let's stop them by the train station. I think that's okay. Like I said, I think it's just a little off. Just a teeny weeny. But I could adjust. I think I already got the cV4 for braking. I think I already got it up to 85. So I don't know if I want to really put it up much higher than that. But that is cool. I'll leave it at that for now. But I thought I'd share this little video. Everyone take care. Have a good one.